Hey guys, Reece from Outback Equipment here. Today I'm giving you another product review on the Hardkorr 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter. Alright guys, so straight out of the box it obviously comes with the inverter itself, the appropriate fusing, which is a 250 amp mega fuse, and then the user manual. So we'll dive straight into the specifications of the unit. It is 24 centimeters wide, 46 centimeters long, and 18 centimeters thick. Some of the key features working around the inverter itself. On this side you've got two 240 volt outlets that are built up to Australian standards. We've got an RCD output on-off switch, one for remote switching, and then also a voltmeter as well. Working our way around the other side, we have two fans that are temperature controlled, so whenever the unit is being used under heavy loads, the fans will kick on automatically so it doesn't get too hot. And then obviously we have our positive and negative feeds. When mounting and installing these units, we advise to keep like an open airspace around them because they do need to keep cool when they're under use. So some of the benefits of this unit is the fact that it is a pure sine wave inverter. So pure sine wave inverters are designed to work with sensitive electronics such as like CPAP machines and like laptop chargers. The way a modified sine wave inverter works is it fluctuates between positive and negative, and sometimes on sensitive electronics like your medical equipment, it doesn't work for it and it's not good for them. So some of the other key benefits of this as well is the fact that it has a 4,000 watt peak power current. So when you're starting up stuff like induction cookers or compressors, it'll be able to hold that 4,000 watts when it's starting up. And then once it simmers down to the 2,000 watt section, it'll be fine to run continuously. The safety features built into this unit as well, like the RCD unit. So if like something shorts out, gets hot, the unit will trip. That way no one can get electrocuted and whatnot. So now onto the fun part, guys. We actually fitted this unit into the display Ranger and we headed down to Bribie Island. And while we were there, we were charging cameras and the laptops that we take. The best part of the day was lunchtime. We broke out the blender, made some icy cold margaritas for the hot summer day we had. It was also an absolute treat to be able to use home appliances while we weren't actually at home looking over the water. Other things that the inverter can be used for is such as tools, your hair straighteners, your hair dryers, all those nifty appliances you want to bring from home that you just can't live without. The Hardkorr 2000 watt inverter is more than capable in running all of those machines. We highly recommend using Hardkorr's remote switch panel for when you're mounting the inverters so you can tuck it away behind seats or in canopies away out of sight. As you can see guys, simple plug and play into the back of the switch, into the inverter, and we're set. So as you can see, we have a lot of cable to work with, so we can mount the inverter out of sight, out of mind, and then we can run the cable to the switch to an easily accessible location. Hardkorr also offers a pre-wired fuse kit to suit the 2000 watt inverters. This one is 75 centimeters long. It will depend on where you're mounting your inverter and the placement of your battery though. Thanks for watching guys. Like and subscribe. If you feel like we missed anything in today's video, leave a comment down below and we'll be sure to answer it. We make videos every week. Catch us on outbackequipment.com.au. Catch you in the next one.
We managed to cook up some margaritas in a blender and it was just such a treat.
I hope the audio picked up saying you cook up some margaritas.
Yeah, whatever.
And then also while we were having some lunch, we managed to cook. That was on you. While we were having lunch, we also broke out the blender to cook up.